What's up, everybody? I'm out here at the range and going to be working on my 223 rifle. This is the rifle I'm going to be shooting. It is a 18-inch barrel, and I have it set up for some we'll say long range for a 223. Today we are clocked out at exactly 50 yards to my seat, so to the end of the barrel just a little bit less, and we're going to be shooting a couple different ammo. So let's get this sighted in and we'll get going. Okay, so I spent quite a bit of time figuring out what ammo this gun likes. I know that it likes this gold dot. This is the 55 grain version. I also have the 64 grain version. We're going to shoot this and sight it in with 55 grain red dot. Alright, here is my first group with the gold dot, and my second group with the gold dot. Alright, next we're going to shoot the PMC xtac. This is a 62 grain bullet, a little bit heavier, and we'll shoot 2 5-shot groups. Here is the 10-shot group from the PMC xtac. Okay, so the first 5 went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second group of 5 went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 opportunities there, but really all over the place. This is a 50 grain jacketed hollow point. It's lighter than the normal 55 grain, and this has a varmint tip. So it looks like that. Okay, we've got 10 loaded up. We're going to shoot 2 5-shot groups. Okay, this is the 50 grain varmint tip. Let me show you how it went first. These were the first 5 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the second 5 shots, I lowered my point of aim to right here, and the first 3 were these on the bottom. And then I went up here and clear up there. So clear up there. American Eagle. This is a 55 grain FMJ. Pretty cheap ammo. Let's see how it does. I got 10 rounds loaded up. That'll be 2 5-shot groups. Okay, so here is the 55 grain FMJ American Eagle. From here it doesn't look that great, but let me see if I can show you what happened first. The first 2 shots were right there, and then I came over and I finished right here. So that's the first 5-shot group, and then you can tell the second 5-shot group, holy cow, that's these clear out here. So it really opened up in the second 5 shots, which is really kind of odd.